Hey y'all, it's Mary and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats and welcome to my channel. And I have several bags from the company LASNV. I know you've probably seen some videos from them already. They did approach me several months ago, and when I looked at their website, I didn't really care for what they were showing because they showed backpacks and children's bags, and I really didn't need those kinds of things. So they approached me again about a month ago or so and said that they had gotten a lot more on their website. In the meantime, I saw some videos of some of my creator friends, and they have some beautiful bags, y'all. And the prices are rock bottom. The prices are really low. So I said yes this time, and they sent me several things, and they sent them to me from China. So it took about a month to get them. So I'm also gonna do 2 videos because they sent me a lot. So I'm going to show you what I have right in front of me, and then this will be part 1, okay? I do want to tell you they just have all kinds of bags, any kind of bag you're looking for. They have backpacks and children bags, totes and purses. They have evening bags, beautiful evening bags. They have the bags that we used to call fanny packs. Now the new name is the chest bag. I've shown you a couple of those in from some other companies. You know, the fanny pack, but people are wearing them across their chest now so that it's right here so that you won't lose anything. You know, you have it right there. So let me show you what I got in this video. I have a couple of bags. This one is gorgeous. I just took the plastic off. Oh, I didn't think about taking out stuffing. There's stuffing inside. Sorry about that. I was trying to keep down the ASMR for you. But there's a lot. You know, everything was wrapped very nicely, and then there's stuffing in here, which is really nice. This bag has a really nice strap. Let me see what I can tell you about this one. This one I like black bags, so this is black. It came in white, it came in a dark coffee, it came in a light brown, and this bag is $21.72. It's called the Retro Crocodile Leather Woman Shoulder Bag, messenger style bucket handbag, whichever way you want to call it. Some people call it messenger style, some people call it bucket. So here is, oh hey, it has two straps, which is really cool. So if you want a more elegant look, you can use this strap, and if you want an everyday kind of a messenger bag, you can use this strap. And this is adjustable. You can make it quite long, so if you want to put a crossbody, you can do that. Is that cute? And then this one's not as long, which is fine, but it goes on. It has these nice clips. These are nice clips, and I'm going to put this one on just to have one to show you, and then we'll look at the bag itself. So okay, and everything is PVU leather. That's what it's called. So this has a nice big bottom. I love the crocodile look. It's one of my favorite looks, and this is not lined, but there is a pocket in the center that goes all the way to the bottom, and that is the same material as this. If you can see it, it's hard to show you because it is the alligator, if you can see that. So inside there's just a big bucket. So it's a great bag for throwing all kinds of things in. So can you see that? You can use it as a purse if you want to as well. There is a nice zipper for the center pocket. So whatever you have in there, it goes all the way to the bottom. So you can put your wallet in there if you wanted to, and then zip it up. Or anything private that you want zippered privately. But it also does have this magnet closure, which is nice too. And then this handle, like I said, the more elegant one, it's shoulder style. Or you can use this. I really like this one too. And I like this, that this is adjustable, so you can do this crossbody if you want. So this with this handle on it, it gives it more that messenger bag look. So isn't that pretty, y'all? It really is pretty. Like I said, originally, some of the bags were just not my cup of tea, but these are really nice. And I do have some dimensions. This is a crocodile pattern. The PU leather, not PVU, whatever I was saying, it was wrong. It's PU leather. Large messenger bucket handbag. Exquisite, solid color, crocodile pattern, bucket design. PU leather material. It's casual, beautiful, and durable. And then that shoulder belt is adjustable. And it is 11 by 10.23 by 6. All right, this is going to be the 6, or this, I'm not sure how the measurements work. Is it this the 6? That's about 11 or 12. So this way is 6.29, and it does say inches, so this is probably about 12. The 11 inches, and then the 10, and I'm not sure, y'all. And then the drop, I don't know what that drop is, but it reminds me of maybe about a 12-inch drop, 10-inch drop, but it's perfect to fit over your shoulder. You know, I'm a big girl, so if it fits over my shoulder and everything, it would fit nicely over yours as well. And then if you didn't see clearly on this one, it does have the nice crocodile going on there. It has the same nice little gold clips. This has a nice gold hardware. And then the adjustable portion is quite long. So you can pull that all the way and make it quite long. So it can be crossbody if you need it to be. I love that bag. And look at that pretty gold hardware on it. It's just really pretty. Okay, let's put that one aside and I'll show you another one. I do have more, but like I said, I'm going to show that in another video. This one, now, this one here, this was $17.53. It is a little smashed up from being in the bag, so I'm going to pop it up. This, I just thought the color was so pretty. Let's see how to work it. It is, right there. I was thinking there's going to be some paper in here, but this is a 2-piece set. So let me get, oh, it's a 3-piece set. This one, I do have the link for it, but the link doesn't work anymore. This is sold out. $17.52 for a 3-piece set. I'll show it to you in a second, everything. But they do have so many other, they have, well, they have single bags, all kinds of single bags. Then they have 2-piece sets, 3-piece sets, 4-piece sets, 5-piece sets, and I have a 6-piece set that I'll show you in part 2. This, I just loved the color. It is a very nice blue-red, a bluish red, right? Or is it orangey? I don't know how to tell that so much so. It looks sort of bluish red to me. But it has gold hardware, and then it has this leather on the handles like this. And this is how you open it. This is so cute. It looks like it's locked, but this is magnet here. See that? Magnet there. And so you can hold it like this, and it does have a nice bottom. It has little feet on the bottom. You can hold it this way, or you can take these straps and hold it this way. So you can put it over your shoulder if you want to, okay? And there is another strap if you want to make a crossbody. You know, since there's nothing in it right now, it's just going to keep falling on me. So let me show you the inside. It's not lined, but the inside is a nice felt kind of material, beige felt. And then it does have a zipper that goes across the whole bag. Or, well, maybe not all the way, but basically, okay? And then you would put this inside, this part. And then there are loops because there is a crossbody strap that is adjustable. Okay, this is an adjustable one. So, and it has, again, this style to click to make it crossbody. And then this one came with other pieces. It came with 2 other pieces. So you have this, looks like a little book billfold maybe. Again, there's that. It's like a felt. It's nice because it's not, it's soft. It's a soft lining. And this has a snap closure, a magnet snap. So you can put some things in there. Hold your money and license, credit cards, things like that. And then you could hold some cosmetics in this bag. This bag has loops on it. If you want, you can use this little bag as a crossbody. Put this strap on here as well. Hey, Smudge. And this opens here. And again, it's that same lining. And it has a, yeah. It's just, it doesn't have a flat bottom. It's just a big pocket. Just a big pocket. And Like I said, you could make it, you could, you know, your little girl could use this and make this into a crossbody by clipping it on here. So if you have this ensemble with you when you're traveling, you can use the big bag, and then if you're just going to go out for a bite to eat, you can grab the straps and put it on the small bag, and then you won't have to worry about a big bag in the restaurant or something. You can just take your essentials, you know, your key to the room, your lippy, you know, your little powder or something. So this goes on here. And then otherwise you can carry this. You don't have to do that, but you could if you wanted to. And let's put stuff back in here because it's just, I could stuff this with all that paper and then it'll pop out. Put some things in here. And I just love the way, I thought this was really cute little design to it. With the tassel and the wood ball. Just a pretty color to it. I have it all tangled up. How did I get that all tangled up? But I did. Okay, because there's two. I've got these handles. Maybe you're not supposed to. Maybe that is just for that small piece. Now that I'm looking at it. So, but yeah, no, because you could make that. You can make that longer and use it as a crossbody. But I would probably just use this like this over my arm, like this. And I just thought the color was just so pretty. It reminded me of the fall. I think that is an orangey red because I'm seeing fall in there. What do y'all think? And then these have this leather, the PU leather on the handles. So that's what I'm going to show you today. And then I look for part 2 in a day or 2 or 3. Not sure when I'll post it, but soon. And you'll see what else I got. So again, this is the company LASNV. And I'll have all the information in the description. And I hope you liked it. I thought these were cute. I mean, $17.52 for 3 pieces. And super cute, y'all. Super cute. I love this one. This one's a little heavier leather. So this one's my favorite one. And I think I'm going to put that messenger strap on. And then you can always just carry this with you in case, you know, at the last minute you're going to go somewhere nice and you want to do that. Change your strap out. So LASNV is having a big spring fan promotion. And if you use the code LASNV10, I'll have that below and I'll have that in the title as well. It'll get you $10 off your purchase. $10 off, y'all. And these bags are dirt cheap to begin with. So $10 off. If you spend $50, you can also save $6. And they said you can overlap offers. So that's fantastic. So that LASNV you can use on anything on their website. It's not a code for me. It's just a code for you. Okay. So check them out because this is nice. This is a nice thick bag. I like this one a lot, y'all. And then, you know, this one, like I said, is $21.72. This set for $17.52. The leather is a little thinner, so it's still nicely made. It's got a nice felt lining. I prefer this heavier leather, PU leather. So, but this is adorable, and you can't, like I said, this one sold out. But they may have it come back in, and they do have many, many choices, which is really nice. From, like I said, from when I first saw their website, they have really gotten in many, many more products. So go check them out, y'all, and save a little money. And thanks for stopping by and count your blessings. Bye-bye.